Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Michael HD. Today we'll be talking about a lot of amazing topics. If you're new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon for more notification. And also do please comment on these videos if you have any thoughts or anything. So today we'll be talking about a lot of different amazing topics. But before we go into these topics, I want to share a little video with you guys. The video down below shows a lady who bought a product. I don't know what you guys call it, maybe Kaya Mata or everything, for over 60k, and now she's lamenting that the product is fake. She's regretting so many things. She's advising people not to try it. But to my opinion, this thing doesn't work. If you're just purchasing all those things, you're just wasting your money. To me, it's fake. All is fake. They are just chemicals and everything in a bottle. Our first topic today: Whiskey sets new record, becomes only African artist with over 2 billion streams on Spotify. Wow, the guy is just so good. He's just so good. He deserves it. He doesn't even promote his videos like other artists. Wow, man, so much respect for you, bro. And Whiskey is just like and the video is just like C Ronaldo and Messi of Nigeria. Enough competitions, enough fight, quarrels between fans and everything. To me, Whiskey is more better than Davido because the guy is just so solo. He does his things just alone with himself, and he doesn't brag that much. So more respect for you, bro. Next on the celebrity news, we're talking about the mother of Regina Daniels, who recently got an appointment from the People Democratic Party to become the state treasurer of the party. Man, it's not easy. It's a huge appointment with a lot of money, bags of money. Man, this family is so into politics. They love politics more than anything. You can recall that her daughter married a politician, a well-known senator. You see, this family is just into politics. Politics, 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 politics. And she also took to her Instagram to, thank the governor of Delta State, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, and her son-in-law Ned Nwoko, who was a former senator of Delta State. And also, she used the video to thank everybody who support her in this new achievement. So it's something good for her. She's just achieving a lot of things. First of all, her daughter marrying a wealthy billionaire. The next thing, she got an appointment from the Delta State government. Man, it's something amazing, something huge. This year has been so good for them. Next on the celebrity news, DJ Cuppy talks about her fears on relationship and her love life. The popular billionaire Otedolas, Femi Otedola's daughter, which her real name is Florence Otedola, also known as DJ Cuppy. A lot has been going on between she and Brother Shaggy. They have this chemistry, but it seems that DJ Cuppy doesn't actually like Brother Shaggy to that extent of dating her. So DJ Cuppy feels like she has been too single for quite a long time and she wants to do something about it. A lot of fans are just saying it's being the cause of having too much money or being too big or too proud. These things happens to rich families a lot. When you have too much money, you become so devastated that you don't know what you want anymore. To me, she's the cause of her problem because there's a lot of guys out there acting her out and maybe she feels they are not up to her standard or anything. But at least sometimes you just have to keep the money aspect and just be humble. Now man go marry you, now man has to stay. So sometimes you just have to be humble despite all the money you have, despite all the old films you have, despite the places you've been to, despite the people you've seen. Things are not always the way you see it. Sometimes you just have to pipe low. Pipe low. It's good. Now she's complaining about her love life. I guess she might have received a lot of requests asking her out, but I guess she declined it. I think that's the reason why she's suffering what she's suffering now is part of her own fault because she didn't act when most people came asking her out. But to my own opinion, she should just, it's not something difficult, she should just give it a try. At least there are still people out there willing to go out. So guys, it's just my own opinion. I don't know about you. You guys may think she should just continue remaining single or she should enjoy her money being single or everything. But bro, she's getting old. She needs to get someone. She's getting old. You can see her junior sister being with Mr. Easy. They're both enjoying their lives, having fun. Sometimes it's just good to have a partner, but I think she's just too scared. She's just too scared. She should break that barrier. Break that barrier. You have to break that barrier. If you don't make a move, you won't go anywhere. You remain the way you are. At least if someone doesn't check you, check the person. You have the money. So she should stop complaining about being scared of her love life and relationship. I know that's just cheap talk. So I think she has to make some moves. Some very expensive moves. If not, no beer. Next on the celebrity news, we'll be talking about a lady on the social media which says her legs spread so fast anytime she sees a car key. Man, this is so funny. What you not go see for again? So having a car key is a requirement for a lady now to spread wide their legs for a guy. Man, social media nowadays are something else because people sometimes don't think before they do things. They just let certain things, useless things motivate them. Why will your leg just open for seeing a car key? Is that your motivation, or is that where you get your joy from? Like, how do you feel after everything, after spreading your leg because of a car key, and the end you let the person sleeps with you, and after then the person leaves you? Would you still be holding on to the car key? Man, people nowadays are just so funny. Why will your leg just spread because of a car key? It's something you should not even think about. Like, you should keep yourself to yourself. You understand? Car key is nothing. Being in a car is nothing. That doesn't mean you should lose your dignity or anything. Man, today's girls are just something else. They don't just know what they want. They are confused in life. How can you just spread your legs because of a car key? Who does that? That means everybody can sleep with you. Everybody that has a car can sleep with you. That's what you're trying to tell us, which is very, very bad. And despite everybody can sleep with you, most of them may not even use protection, and you might just give it to everybody. Start spreading disease all over around. So, ladies these days, you should caution yourself. You should be self-preserved. You should think about possible things that will help you in future, not just seeing a car key and the next thing you spread your legs for a guy. It doesn't matter. And I can say a lot of ladies do this. Not just this lady. This lady coming outside to say this is just being fair because that's what she does. She doesn't hide her feelings, because it's just like you telling an Ashawo that she's not an Ashawo. An Ashawo is an Ashawo. She doesn't hide it. So you don't need to tell them what they want. They know what they want from you. So you spreading your legs because of a car key, it's not ideal. So my advice to ladies, spreading your legs over a car key, it's not a good thing. Sometimes you just have to, think over it. Sometimes those things moves you. Women are moved by material things. A lot of material things. They like physical things. What they see moves women. What they see, what they hear, what you do for them moves women. So most times women are carried about by those things. But women, you should not allow those things to motivate you or move you. Those are just mere material things. After seeing the car key, they'll just sleep with you and leave you. So sometimes you just have to be self-preserved.
My legs, they spread out so fast, especially when I see a car key. Yeah, I hope I'm going to find that man.
Thank you guys. This is the end of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe buttons, comment, share on all social medias, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.